Hi, I'm Sandy with Implementation Specialists, and today I'm going to show you our new POCopyPaste tool. If you're currently using spreadsheets for purchase orders, POCopyPaste is a time-saving tool that allows you to copy and paste from Excel into Dynamics GP with Signature. We provide a template with the install, and you put your data in there and then paste it into the PO, and the lines populate for you, including the signature information. So let's take a look in GP. So here I am in Excel, and I'm going to copy my lines, not the header, just the lines, and then hop over here to the PO entry. And again, you can do it for a type of standard or drop ship. And then we'll just select our vendor, and then select additional and copy paste to paste in those lines. If there's an issue like I have here, we'll see the report. And it says that this service call has already been posted. So I'm going to go here and just switch this to one that I know is open. And let's try again. Copy. And then once more, we'll try to paste, and then now all of our lines have pasted in here, including not just the line item information, quantities and stuff, but also the signature information, such as the product indicator, the job or service call type, cost type description, the cost code for the jobs. So all of that is there, and that is how POCopyPaste works. If you'd like to get in touch with us to learn more about POCopyPaste or any of our other great tools, here's how you can do that, and thank you for watching.